in-depth review process. This model is one of the best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
The Lasko remote control ceramic heater with digital display keeps you comfortable in any climate. With a multifunction remote control, digital readout, and a programmable thermostat, this heater is versatile enough for most rooms and can be easily transported with the built-in carry handle. This Lasko 1500-watt tower heater is equipped with widespread oscillation and an 8-hour timer for an easy-to-use experience every time.
Why we recommend this product.